it goes on to the next. Blessed with a flex, so every time we stare, I would have said, I guess it's dead now, but we both can't forget how it was me and you when I read you like a set. Maybe next time we'll make it work. Maybe next time we'll do things different. Maybe next time around you'll learn. Maybe next time around you'll listen and recognize my worth. Spend time and put me first. You had 1,000 second chances. Maybe next time, next time, next time.
I cut all that talking, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
All right, guys. So this is the book's The Expense Tracker, which, guys, this is gonna be changing in the month of November. I'm super excited. My video on Plum Paper is coming out on Thursday, so make sure you guys look out for that. I almost forgot. Shout out to my girl, Budgeting D. That girl is debt free. Round of applause. I am so excited for her. She made her final credit card payment and her video is out. I haven't watched it yet, but it's on my list of things to do. Don't come for me. But no, Budget D made her final credit card payment and your girl is excited for her. Welcome to the debt-free gang, sis. Welcome. Let's get into the weekly check-in, which, guys, was a lot. So weekly check-in. As you guys can see, there's a lot going on. But we're gonna go through it because you know, life happens when you budgeting. Boom, okay? So anyways, the first thing that happened, well, the first three things that happened on the 10th. Two of them was from groceries and one of them was from fuel. Now, if you watched last week's check-in, I didn't do a lot of groceries. I like barely bought any groceries. And then like Saturday came and I just fell for pizza. I really just did. And I've been doing really well and really good about staying within my budget and doing stuff. So buying this pizza was within my budget. So I was like, you know what? It's okay. It's whatever. And I took it from groceries and I still had money left over from groceries. If you've watched my budget with me / cast stuffing that I posted last week, I still had money left over. So just saying. But anyways, pizza, $14.75, 25 cents to saving, and then $15. Groceries, I actually bought groceries, $72.06. 94 cents goes towards saving, $73 total. That came from groceries. And then of course for fuel, I paid $21 and then $21 total. I even out. When I pump gas, I pump to be even. Then we move on to the 13th where I had two things. So I did toiletries where I bought a exfoliator glove because guys, okay, I stopped using my exfoliator glove and like the armpit bumps was real and the girl wasn't here for it. So I bought a new one that was $6.80, 20 cents towards saving, and then $7 total. Then electronics, I had to buy something for my phone, which now it turns out that I don't need it. Listen, I've been buying a lot of unnecessary things. That's why I've also been returning some unnecessary things. But however, if I do need it again, I do have it available. But I bought a phone attachment. That was $9.95, 5 cents towards saving, and then $10 total. I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna return it simply because I will use it again, you know? So it is what it is. Travel, I used some money from travel. It's to book a trip for paragliding. It's $70, nothing goes towards savings, $75 total. New base, yes guys, I used some money from my sinking funds for new base. If you've been watching this video, watching my check-ins, my cash stuff in, then you guys know this is literally for when I leave my current base over in Korea and go to my next new location. I'm gonna use this money to basically set up my apartment, like buy my furniture, buy my electronics, buy my kitchen stuff. So Prime Day happened and they had one of my things on my list because I do have a list of things that I like want to get for my apartment. They had it on the list and it was $100 off. $100 off. So like I couldn't pass up the deal. I had it within budget, So I just bought it now. And I can use it now and then just move it on to my next base once I get there. So I bought something off Amazon that was $206.98. 2 cents went towards saving. That's a total of $207. Also, I bought something on Amazon for YouTube, which that is continuously going to be used. So that was $10, which was always in YouTube. $0 towards saving, $10 total. Then I did weekly spending. The difference between that thing that I bought on Amazon is actually $13.59. So of course the difference I took from my weekly spending, that's where I wanted to take it from and not miscellaneous. That was $3.59. And so 41 cents is going towards saving, making it $4 from weekly spending. Next, I took some money from going out. Technically, I should have taken this from like weekly spending. However, weekly spending honestly didn't have that much money, and I didn't want to use this on food. I didn't want to spend all my weekly money because like that was for me. So Chili's was $20, and that's including the tip for the waiter. And so $0 towards saving, $20 total. Then miscellaneous, I had to get stripes on my uniform to, you know, keep it up to date. So I bought some stripes. That was $2.75. I'm pretty sure I have it at home. I just forgot it at the time. And so 25 cents goes towards saving. That's a total of $3. Then from miscellaneous again, for the stripes, to actually put them on my uniform, I had to go to alterations. That was $10, a total savings of $10, and then a total savings of $0, and then a total of $10. Then the last thing that happened this week is that I got my hair done. I got my hair done. So hair care. I went to Favor Hair Braids, which is my braiding lady. But it was $140 to do this. It took her 4 hours. My savings was $0, and total is $140. So now we're going to move down to bank deposit, credit card payment, saving deposit, and what is my credit card balance as of today. So for the amount that I spent this week, it was $427.88. Savings was $2.12, and then this is a total of $430. Now guys, can you believe that from all of my little savings, I'm like at $15 right now? I'm just saying, it works, it works. But anyways, moving on. So my bank deposit, what is going in my bank deposit, right? Oh no, that is so wrong for what it is for the week. Hold on guys. Yep, I knew that junk was wrong. Okay, so that was wrong. What I actually spent for the week, right? What I actually spent for the week was $587. Let me do that. Don't do too much now. $587.88. And what I having savings or putting towards savings is $2.12, and then that's a total of $590. Is not $530. Bank deposit, what I am putting into the bank as my bank deposit is $430. And then what my credit card payment will be is $400. Ooh, forgot the dollar sign. And $27.88. And then saving deposit will be $2.12. Okay. And my credit card balance as of today, which is the 17th of October, is $440.84. So I am going to put in my notes so you guys can see what's up, and then we're gonna do the on-stuffing of the cash envelopes. So the first thing we are going for is groceries, and groceries is losing $15 as well as $73. So that's $88 groceries is losing. So 10, 20, oh wait, actually $88. So that's 20, well that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put this back in here. And let's just count this up to verify, because I feel like I only put $100, but it should be only $88 here. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that's fine. We're gonna put that there. All right. So that was groceries. Fuel is getting $21 removed from there. So this is a 20 and a 1. So that's 21 from fuel. Then Stella and Friends doesn't get anything removed. Let me push this back here. So then Friends doesn't lose anything. Hair Care doesn't have any money, guys, because like I said, I've already taken out the 140. So as you guys can see, 140 is already gone. So Hair Care doesn't have anything coming out of it. Toiletries has $7 coming out. So that is 5, 6, and 7. We're gonna put this back in here. That's from toiletries, $7. Then household doesn't have anything coming from it either. Then going away dinners, a no. Weekly spending is losing $4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can put that there. Just gonna put that back in. Then going out is losing $20, so just a 20. I'm just gonna take that. YouTube is losing $10, so just a 10. Miscellaneous is losing 13. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna take a whole bunch of ones. Losing $13 from miscellaneous. Small business, not this week, but listen, okay? The Organized Millennial, Anna, she gave me this website for stickers. Girl, so, and she knows my heart so easy. So yeah, small business is good for now. Health is not losing anything. Budget buys is not losing anything. So we are good. So I should have $430 total to deposit. So let's see. New Base is losing $207. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $207. So that's a 10. I'm gonna take out 3 from here. Put that back in there. Okay, so that should work out perfectly. So that was from New Base, which super excited. So New Base lost that. Then Traveling Fund is losing $70. So I'm gonna take out 2 50s, and I'm gonna take a 20 and a 30, a 20 and a 10. So that would be 30. I'm gonna put this in here. So that's a $70 from travel. Then nothing, that's a lie. We're losing $10 from electronics. Let's see, $10 from electronics. Nothing from my birthday, nothing from family birthday. Car maintenance is good, special occasions is good, clothing is good, and Christmas is good. So now I'm going to calculate up everything. Well, not calculate up everything. I'm going to count everything and make sure it is the right amount. So I'm gonna speed through this part and then I'll be back to count. Okay guys, so the total of this should be $430. So let's count up and fingers crossed, it's $430. Okay, so 50, 100, 50, I'm gonna set this to the side for now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, little baby, you took out $20 extra from somewhere and we need to figure it out. Where did I take out $20 extra from? Hold up, let's calculate. Hold up, pause, cut. We gonna figure this out and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, false alarm. False alarm. It's supposed to be $450. So here is the issue. The issue was this is supposed to be $450 that's going to be deposited. Credit card payment should be $447. $450 should be deposited. $447.88 goes towards credit card. So down here I have for going out that Chili's is not on my credit card, and like that's what I mean by there's things that I've spent that's not showing up but I know will pop up later. And so because I'm accounting for the pop up later, like it's throwing off my entire thing. So I had to make a mini adjustment for my notes, but also, you know, now that I know that $20 for Chili's is what's throwing me off. And so that is why I was at $450 when I counted all the money. So the money is right. It was the actual breakdown and what I have in the system that's wrong. So ciao, but it is what it is. I'm glad I got the money right at least, and glad, you know, I stayed on top of it, kept my receipts, and accounted for every single expense that I made. So, you know, guys, when you are doing this credit card life, if you decide that, you know, you want to do the credit card payment version, that is what you have to do. You have to stay on top of it. You have to, okay, all this money is like in the wrong and it is just throwing me off. But you have to stay on top of it and really make sure that you are tracking your expenses. Otherwise, things will pop up and you'll be like, wait, but like that, what? Yeah, and you don't want to have those moments where you don't know what's happening with your money. So I'm basically gonna deposit the $450 into the bank, put towards the credit card $447.88 so that I can pay it off. And guys, oh, shout out to Caffeinated Kate. Girl gave me back my shipping. So I bought from her 2 separate times and she hadn't shipped yet. So I left a note and, you know, she shipped it as one, and she returned my shipping for the second one. So thanks, girl. But yeah, love her Etsy shop. That's also going to be in my plum paper video, so make sure you guys check that out on Thursday. You know, if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or foe. Also, if you did enjoy the content here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell if you are just extra like that, and I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, life happens when you budget in. All right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.